Hello and welcome. In this video, let us look at the system of linear equations that has no solutions. If the system has no solutions, then when we solve it, we will come to a place that makes no sense. Some statement that is never true, such as 0 equals 5 or 6 equals -10. Some statement that has no x, no y, but is never true. That's how we know that the system has no solutions. That is also how we know that the two lines are parallel. So here is one example. Here's a system of linear equations, and let us solve it using either substitution or elimination. Either one will give us the same result. Let us use the elimination method. Let's say we want to cancel the x. To cancel the x, all we need is the same number in front of the x, 1 plus, 1 with a minus. So let's make this first equation into -4 so we can cancel it with this 4. All we need is multiply each term by -2, and that will do it. So let's multiply every term by -2. That makes -4x minus 2y, and on the other side is -6. The second equation wasn't changed, so we copy it over. Now we are ready to do the elimination method. When we add the two equations, we notice that the x's cancel off. We also notice that the 2y minus 2y also cancels off, meaning there is nothing left on the left side. On the right side, -6 plus 8 makes 2. Well, 0 is not 2. 0 is never true. So this statement is never true because 0 is never equal to 2. So never true, which means that our system has no solution. No solution. And this is it. This is how we know that there is no answer to our system. If we wanted to check this, we can use the calculator to visually plot and see the two equations. All we need is solve each one for the y. Let's do that really quick. So here's the same system. Let's solve the first one for the y, and all we need is subtract the 2x from both sides. And if we do this, let's write the x's before the numbers so that the answer comes out in slope-intercept form. So here is our first equation. Now the second equation, we need to minus the 4x from both sides. That makes 2y equals -4x plus 8. To cancel the multiplication by 2, we can divide each term by 2. And that makes our second equation equal to -2x plus 4. Now looking at the two equations that we have, the first and the second, we notice that the slopes for both of them is -2. So we have two different lines. They have two different y-intercepts, but the slopes are the same, which means the two lines are parallel, so they will never cross, which means this answer makes sense because we're looking for the place where the two parallel lines cross. Now, if we wanted to visually see it, let's quickly look at the calculator. So here is the calculator, and here is the first equation. It is -2x plus 3, and the second equation is -2x plus 4. So here they are. Here comes the first equation, and the second one is right next to it, and here they are, and they do appear to be parallel. We know they are parallel because the slopes are the same, but this is the visual confirmation to our work. And this is it for this video. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. If you have some of your own questions you would like to see discussed, also let me know. Thank you for your time. Look forward to hearing from you.